Want to make working from home more productive and comfortable? These Amazon home office gadgets are designed to keep you organized, efficient, and stress-free. From smart tools to clever upgrades, they're essentials you'll absolutely need. All product links are in the description below. Forget plain photo frames, this one's alive. A glowing 16 by 16 pixel grid turns into endless artwork you control from your phone. Show the weather, the clock, or your own playful pixel art. Or tap into a massive library of ready-to-use animations, from retro gaming icons to soothing patterns. Place it on your desk or mount it on the wall, and watch your space come to life. Looks like an ordinary light bulb, but it's actually a watchful eye on your home. This clever security camera screws right into a standard socket and instantly covers every angle with a 360 degrees view. Day or night, you get sharp, full-color video, even in low light. Motion alerts keep you updated, while two-way audio and a loud alarm let you respond instantly. Easy to install, tough for intruders to ignore. Ever get the feeling someone's watching you? This pocket-sized detector makes sure your privacy stays protected. It scans for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and wireless bugs, exposing what the eye can't see. With infrared and RF detection, even the sneakiest devices can't hide. Lightweight and portable, you can carry it anywhere, perfect for hotels, offices, or even your own home. Forget fumbling with keys. Your front door just got an upgrade. This smart lock lets you unlock with a tap, a code, or even your voice when paired with a compatible hub. It installs right over your existing deadbolt in minutes, so no drilling or hardware headaches. Auto lock keeps your home secure the moment you leave, and real-time notifications let you know if it's locked or not. One charger to rule them all. This 7-in-1 station powers up your phone, watch, earbuds, and more, all at once. No more messy cables, just one sleek hub that keeps everything charged and ready. The built-in clock syncs automatically with your phone, even showing the day and room temperature. A soft nightlight with touch controls makes it perfect for your bedside. Safe, smart, and seriously convenient. Say goodbye to blurry calls and awkward camera angles. This 4K webcam keeps you crystal clear and even tracks your movement so you're always in frame. A wide 120-degree view means everyone in the room gets seen without crowding around the screen. Built-in AI mics cut out background noise, making your voice stand out sharp and professional. Just plug it in, and your video calls instantly feel more like face-to-face meetings. Not your average pocket lighter, this one's got brains and firepower. Along with a reliable flame, the front-facing smart display can show the time, weather, or even a rotating image of your choice. It's rechargeable, fully customizable, and even lets you sneak in some retro-style games. Perfect for anyone who wants a little tech with their spark. Turn your phone into a DSLR-style camera in seconds. This smart shutter grip gives your fingers that pro-level control with an ergonomic hook design that feels just right. Half press to focus, full press to snap, just like a real camera. It even has a quick mode switch button for toggling between functions. Snap on the magnetic fill light, and you're ready to shoot like a pro, day or night. No more swatting. This 4-in-1 solar bug zapper wipes out mosquitoes and flies fast. It zaps with 4,500 volts of power, runs on solar or USB, and auto-activates at night. Whether you hang it, stake it in the yard, or set it on a table, it's ready for any space, rain or shine. With 2,100 square feet of coverage and 0 chemicals, it's safe for families, pets, and your next backyard hangout. Sometimes the best defense is a loud one. These compact door and window alarms let out an ear-piercing blast the moment a sensor is triggered, instantly alerting you to intruders. You can switch between alarm or simple chime modes, making them just as useful for keeping track of kids or elderly family members. Installation takes seconds. Just stick and switch on. With long battery life, they'll guard your home day and night without fuss. Meet the robot that makes home feel a little more futuristic. This household helper can patrol your rooms, check on pets, and even alert you if something unusual is happening. You can send it anywhere with a tap, and its smart navigation keeps it moving smoothly around obstacles. When it's not needed, it stays nearby, ready to respond. With two-way talk, entertainment, reminders, and more, it's like having Alexa on wheels. It's more than a safe, it's a smart bedside companion. This biometric drawer safe unlocks with your fingerprint, a code, or backup keys, giving you quick access in seconds. The built-in LED display shows time, humidity, and temperature, so you're always in the know. On top, wireless charging keeps your phone and smartwatch powered, while your valuables stay protected below. Silent mode and interior lighting make it discreet, secure, and easy to use anytime. Think of this as the brain of your smart home. One hub connects everything: lights, TV, AC, curtains, even other smart gadgets, and you can control it by voice, app, or its built-in screen. The 2.4-inch display shows temperature, humidity, and weather alerts, so you always know what's going on indoors. A simple knob lets you fine-tune settings or switch between modes like movie night or away. Wake up smarter with a bedside upgrade that does more than just buzz. This dual alarm clock doubles as a wireless charger. Just place your phone on top and it powers up while you rest. There's even a USB port for extra devices, plus Bluetooth for playing your favorite tunes. It automatically sets the correct time after power outages, making it one of the most convenient clocks you'll ever own. It's like having a tiny robot roommate who actually listens. This AI desktop companion chats with you, remembers past conversations, and reacts with real personality, sometimes playful, sometimes thoughtful. It sees you, hears you, and even recognizes your gestures, making interactions feel alive. Beyond the charm, it doubles as a wireless charger and phone stand. Over time, it learns your habits, growing into a companion that truly feels like your own. Measure, mark, and level with precision in one sleek tool. This digital inclinometer features dual red light markers for accurate horizontal and vertical alignment, plus a double-sided LED screen for easy reading from any angle. Lightweight and portable, it handles 360-degree angle measurements and offers both absolute and relative modes. Ideal for stairs, ceilings, and tricky corners, it charges via USB-C, so you're never out of power on the job. The best hiding spot is the one nobody notices. This clever safe looks just like a standard electrical outlet, but behind the plate is a hidden metal box for your valuables. It installs easily between wall studs and opens with a simple key. With up to 50 cubic inches of space, it's perfect for cash, jewelry, or small keepsakes. To outsiders, it's just an outlet, but for you, it's peace of mind in plain sight. Think of it as a tiny guard you can carry anywhere. This door stop alarm wedges under any door and instantly blocks it from opening. But that's not all. If someone tries to force it, a 120 decibel siren blasts to scare them off. You can adjust its sensitivity to fit your needs, and it runs on a simple battery. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home safety and travel security. Charging doesn't have to look boring. This futuristic block doubles as a robot-shaped charger that folds up small for travel or stands tall like a display piece on your desk. With 3 ports, it powers your phone, tablet, and laptop all at once, up to 65 watts of fast charging. Built-in protections keep everything safe from overheating or short circuits. An ice blue light even shows you the charging status in real time. Keys are so last century. This smart doorknob unlocks with a fingerprint, a passcode, or even app control. No more fumbling at the door. Recognition is lightning fast, opening in just a second. You can add up to 100 fingerprints and 50 codes, making it perfect for family, roommates, or office use. And if the batteries ever run low, a quick USB charge keeps you from getting locked out. Your laptop just found its ultimate sidekick. This docking station packs 13 different ports into one sleek design, letting you connect everything at once. Hook up 2 monitors in crisp 4K, transfer giant files in seconds, and keep all your devices powered with lightning-fast charging. The smart LCD screen shows you exactly what's connected. It's compact, powerful, and built to make multitasking effortless. Sometimes the simplest gadgets make the biggest difference. This portable door lock adds instant security to any room, whether you're in a hotel, apartment, or dorm. Just slide it into the door latch, close the door, and you've got an extra layer of protection from the inside. No tools, no hassle. Small enough to carry in your pocket, yet strong enough to keep intruders out. It gives you real peace of mind. Clean air doesn't have to be complicated. This ultra-quiet purifier traps dust, allergens, mold, and odors in 6 powerful stages, leaving your home fresh and breathable. You can mount it on the wall or let it stand alone. Either way, it blends right into your space. A custom filter tackles stubborn smells from pets, cooking, or smoke. Covering large rooms with ease, it makes every breath feel lighter and cleaner. It may be tiny, but it's powerful. This mini Wi-Fi camera records in full 1080p HD and keeps watch over your home, car, or loved ones without drawing attention. With night vision, it captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Motion detection sends instant alerts straight to your phone, so you're always in the loop. Setup is simple. Just connect, place it, and let it do the watching for you. Flat screen or curved? Why choose when you can have both? With the push of a button, this OLED TV bends to the perfect angle for movies, gaming, or everyday watching. It delivers razor-sharp 4K visuals, deep contrast, and super smooth gameplay with a 120 Hz refresh rate and next-gen sync tech. Height, tilt, and swivel adjustments mean it fits your setup perfectly, while built-in voice control makes everything hands-free. Your doorbell deserves some backup too. This heavy-duty metal mount locks your video doorbell securely in place so it can't be stolen. The clever bracket also lets you tilt the camera anywhere from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. Setup is quick with the included tools. No special skills needed. Strong, adjustable, and reliable, It's protection for both your door and your doorbell.